Hi everybody, I wanted to welcome you and welcome back. This is a short impromptu video that is something that I've been thinking about because I've been wanting to make this video for the life of me, but I thought it may be silly to show a person how to scramble an egg, or maybe that'll insult somebody. But you know what? Maybe there are people who also want to know how to get your eggs golden, yellow, fluffy, terrific, and chef kiss just right. Because not all eggs, scrambled eggs, are created equally. Because when they are brown, when you scramble them and they get brown, they really do taste brown. And so that's what we're going to avoid with this recipe, if we're going to call it that, or instruction, or whatever we're going to call it. So the first thing that we're going to do in appropriate serving is actually 2 eggs, but people that I know, typically the serving, they're going to want 3 eggs. They are the Happy Farmer egg, and I'm glad that happened, because look guys, that's why I never crack into my cake or whatever I'm just cooking. You always crack it into a separate dish. So yeah, these are the Happy Farmer's eggs, and if you're gonna have to pay so much for eggs, you may as well get some good ones, baby. After you get them in there, then you want to go ahead and you could whisk them with a fork. Okay guys, so we'll just go ahead and we'll whisk and turn the ball. Okay, so we have those all scrambled up. Now let's go ahead and move on to some of the secrets. We're going to take our clean plate and we're going to place it into the microwave. So with our temperature on high, we'll go ahead and put the butter in. As soon as your butter is in, you want to go ahead and turn your temperature down to about a 3. So now that we see our butter is good to go, it has not turned brown, we're going to be whisking our eggs while pouring them at the same time. You're going to let them sit in the hot pan until you begin to see some curling of the edges. See a little bit. Now we're going to take a fork. I don't want to hear it. Remember what I'm going to scratch. We're not worried about that. We're not here for that. We're not talking about. You want to start moving those eggs around. As you move them, the raw part of the egg moves down, because you want that to ultimately reach the bottom. Now, I don't like my eggs crumbled in like 50 million little pieces and things. I don't know. That's just my thing. So now your scrambled eggs, you're just going to put them on your plate. And then they're going to stay hot for a couple minutes. But yeah, it's like when they're all cut up or chop little bitty pieces, all they do is frustrate people, to be honest, because they're falling all everywhere. And so what is scrambled eggs without salt and pepper? Now, one thing about me, when I make scrambled eggs, I never scramble down anybody's salt or pepper. I let them decide how much to put on, or if they even want any. Because these eggs are real buttery, so the butter gave them a great flavor and a great seasoning. I don't like to use cooking spray or anything like that, because it doesn't offer that rich flavor that you're going to get when you use good butter. Okay, let's get some salt and pepper and a taste tester named me. Okay, I'm gonna put not too much like salt and pepper, but anyway, just to taste. And my taste is about 1/4 teaspoon. Okay, and then what I'm gonna want is a lot of pepper. I wish I had some really coarse ground pepper, but I don't. But anyway, I just like a lot of pepper on my scrambled eggs. And they are perfect and they are golden. Yeah. So anyway, yes, and I think that they are biteable. So let me go ahead and taste them. Let me taste them for y'all. Oh, I want to make sure you guys know and understand that when I say golden, no brown. Because when they are brown, they taste brown. I don't know what brown tastes like, but it seems like it doesn't taste like chocolate. It just tastes like booty. So I don't want no booty egg. Yeah, man. These are some great eggs. They light, they fluffy. Make sure you whisk them and make sure when you cook them, use a fork. Sorry to the people who talk about scratching stuff, but that's what it is. Thank you. God bless. Come back, because we got some neck bones in the slow cooker.